In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text on a moving object with planar tracking in DaVinci Resolve. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you want to work on. Drag your clip into the timeline so it's ready to edit. Then head over to the Fusion page at the bottom of the interface. In the node area, make sure the Media in One node is selected. This tells Fusion which clip you want to work with for the tracking process. With Media in One active, press Shift plus Spacebar to bring up the Select Tool window. Type Planar Tracker, choose it, and add it to your node tree. It should connect after Media in One. If it doesn't, simply drag the input and output so the flow reads Media in One into Planar Tracker and then onward to Media out. In the inspector for the Planar Tracker, set the tracker type to Hybrid Point Area. This mode gives you a solid balance of precision and surface awareness, which is ideal for text that needs to stick to a flat or semi-flat surface. Next, in the Trackers Inspector, choose either the Polygon or Rectangle selection tool and draw a shape around the area of the object you want to track. Pick a region with good texture and contrast. Edges, logos, or high detail surfaces usually track best. Keep the shape tight, but not too tiny so the tracker has enough data. Move your playhead to a good reference frame, often somewhere near the middle of the motion where the surface is clear and not motion blurred. In the inspector, click track forward and backward. Let the tracker run through the clip. If you notice drifting, you can stop, refine your selection, and retrack from a stable frame. Once the track is complete, select the Planar Tracker node and change the operation mode to corner pin. This tells Resolve to apply the tracked surface data to whatever graphic we feed it next. Add a Text Plus node to the node tree. Connect the output of the Text Plus node to the green input of the Planar Tracker. If prompted or if the connection isn't behaving, click Create Planar Transform in the Planar Tracker to ensure the transform data is properly available for the composite. Open the Text Plus node. Type your message, then adjust the font size and style. Position the text so it lines up naturally with the tracked area. You can use the on-screen controls in the viewer for fine placement. Play back the shot to confirm the text sticks cleanly. If it slips, tweak the tracked shape or choose a better reference frame and retrack. When you're happy you're done, your text now moves perfectly with the object.